Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on Microsoft Edge browser. And today's tutorial will simply show you how to check or save password from different websites on your Microsoft Edge browser. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your Edge browser. After you open up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here and click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to settings right here, click on settings, just like so. Everything is going to open up right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you are on a profile section. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to password section. So what you want to do here is to simply click on password section. Then it load up and open up in a new page like this. Right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down. So as at the time of making this video, I have about 3 different websites and apps password that was saved on my Microsoft Edge. Now, for you to fill any of the password that you save on your Microsoft Edge, what you want to do is to simply click on a particular website or the app you want to check. Let's, for instance, I want to check this particular website, learnwithhasansabri.com. So what I'm going to do is to simply click on the web, and you have the username and the password you use to access the site. It's as simple as that. You can simply click on this icon just to fill or show your password. You can simply click on here to copy the username, or click on here to copy the password. It's as simple as that. You can also edit the username and the password from this particular Edge browser password security section. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check all passwords saved on your Microsoft Edge browser without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.